Yeah, those headlights are a mess, but I got the tool to get those headlights looking good.
Oh, wow.
So there we go. We have a brand new set of headlights to go into the Accord. And no, they're not just the stock replacements. They do have the LED running lights, which should look pretty cool with the black housing and the clear sides. Well, I'm going to try and put the headlights in, or at least put one in. It's a little late in the day, but we'll see how far I can get. This is a used car that's 15 years old, and of course the bumper has been off. Looks like it's been off a few times, so I don't have nearly half of the things holding it on, so it comes off pretty good. Really didn't have much holding it on, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pop it off the rest of the way. All right, that was easy. Kind of looks like a 350Z, doesn't it, a little bit? All right, 4 down. Yeah, 1 to go. Last screw, right there. And headlights out. This is kind of simple. It should be free. I'm gonna do this with one hand. I don't have any helper. There we go. Just disconnect these. All right, headlights out. And there's a new headlight that got to go in. That is a hell of a difference. That's a thumbnail. That's just a quick comparison of the headlights from left to right. This one's not really in there. I didn't mount everything up, but I just wanted to get an idea. The bulbs don't fit perfect, so I'm gonna fix them and do my thing to them. Okay, so we picked up some of these LED headlights, the low beams and high beams. And one of the things I noticed is when you put the bulbs into these aftermarket light housings, they were really loose. This one's a little tighter than the other one. The other one was really wiggly. So what I had to do was I went and I took off these screws that you lock under, and I added some locking washers. I just had to add 2, 1, 2, and you can see now the lights are nice and tight like they should be. So that's the fix if you ever come across this problem, because we're going with aftermarket headlights and these eBay LED lights. So, but they work now. So the only thing I have to wire up now is the where is it? It's the LED light, and I'm going to wire this car up. The way this car works, it has a separate low beam, separate high beam, and it has a blinker and a running light all in one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect the running light and connect it to the new aftermarket LED light, and I'm going to leave the blinker portion connected. I'm actually looking at the wrong button right here. So you have one wire for the blinker, one wire for the running light, and then a ground. So I don't know which one is which, so I'm gonna test it real quick. And I'll leave this bulb should probably be replaced. It's clear on top, it's so old, and it's orange on the bottom, but we're only gonna use this for the blinker. Okay, so here we go. I have the wiring done for the LED lights. I just added some little connections here so I can pull these apart if we want to remove the lights, and I just have to take off this screw here and pull out the ground connection. So it's pretty simple. I just disconnected the running light portion of this bulb here. You can't see it, but I did cut it and route it to here, and I left the blinker portion on here. So repeat the same thing on the other side, and easy peasy. So here's the final product. I think they look really, really good for some eBay headlights, and they were only like, I think $110. And go ahead and turn them on now. So that's how they look with the park lights on. The light is really white. There's absolutely no greenness to it. I see it in the screen here. It looks like there's a little greenish blue. They're a little white. They're real white, so it looks really OEM. Like I said, there's no green in the actual light. And you turn on the headlights. These are with the LED bulbs, and they also match perfectly. It's a 6500 bulb for our high beams and our low beams, and again they match perfectly too because they're white. So really happy with them. They look good and really go with the car. And I don't have the old ones, but I would do a comparison. But you saw the old ones. They look bad. So there we go. That's the eBay headlights, $110 plus the LED bulbs. The bulbs were 26 bucks for a set of highs and lows, so it's 4 bulbs in total. It was good. So that was it. Catch us next video. See ya. Peace.